Mercedes-Benz G-Class has finally been revealed, but there's not a whole lot that we didn't know. The company showed what the interior would look like back in December. We learned that it would lose its solid front axle up front but keep low-range four-wheel drive and lockers on all three differentials a couple weeks ago. And of course we got a look at it from some leaked photography. So what's left to learn? Well, for one thing, the new G-Class, despite looking like the old model left in a rock tumbler for about 30 seconds, is actually very new. It's longer by 2.1 inches and wider by 4.8 inches. That pays dividends in one of the G-Class SUV's weakest points, interior space. Leg, shoulder and elbow room increases for both front and rear passengers. Rear leg room increases the most by a whopping 5.9 inches. And of course, as we've already seen, the interior itself is a much more luxurious, attractive place to be, while nodding to the past with the big grab bar on the dash and leaving the differential lock buttons front and center.